For this lesson, you will need your word study notebook and a pencil. If you have not gotten out those two things, please pause the video and go and do that. Today we're going to be talking about ending blends. So at the top of your page, I would like for you to write ending blends, please. E-N-D-I-N-G-B-L-E-N-D-S. And today we're going to practice writing a variety of words that have ending blends in them. And if you recall, a blend are two consonants together, and we've talked about that at the beginning of words, but we can also hear two consonants together at the end of words. So the first word that we're going to write is the word sand, sand. And to hear the ending blend in words, I really need to say my words slowly. And I hear and. I hear ND at the end of sand. Please write sand, S-A-N-D, sand, in your word study notebook and underline ND. The next word that I'm going to write is the word tent. I'm going to say that slowly, and I hear nt at the end, N-T. So I'm going to write it as t, and I hear N-T, two consonants together at the end of the word, and I need to make sure to write both of them. So please write tent in your word study notebook as T-E-N-T, tent. Another word that has a consonant blend at the end is the word lamp, lamp. So I'm going to say that slowly, lamp. I hear mp at the end. I hear MP. So I wrote both consonants at the end of the word. Because I heard two consonants together, I need to make sure that I write both of them. So please write lamp in your word study notebook, L-A-M-P, lamp. Another word that has two consonants at the end is the word skunk, skunk. So I'm going to say that slowly, and I hear a consonant blend at the beginning, actually, sk. I hear nk at the end, N-K. Two consonants together, and I hear both sounds, so I need to make sure to write both of them. So please write skunk in your word study notebook, S-K-U-N-K, skunk. Another word that has a consonant blend at the end is the word first, first. So when I say that slowly, I hear st. I hear S and T at the end. Two consonants together, and I hear both of them. So I need to make sure that I write both of them. And then I'm going to underline ST. So please write first in your word study notebook, F-I-R-S-T, first. The next word that I'm going to write that has a consonant blend is the word belt, belt. B-L-T. So I hear elt. I hear L-T. Two consonants together, and I hear both of them, so I'm going to write both consonants. Please write belt in your word study notebook, B-E-L-T, belt. And the last word that I'm going to write that has two consonants in it is the word mask. Mask. So I hear ask. I hear S and K. Two consonants together, and I need to make sure that I write both of them, mask. Please write mask in your word study notebook, M-A-S-K, mask. Excuse me. And then underline S-K. So what I want us to remember is that ending blends are two consonants together at the end of words, and we hear both consonants. So we need to make sure when we're writing words that we write all the sounds that we hear. And the best way to do that is to say our words slowly. So please remember to say your words slowly and write all the letters, all the sounds that you hear.